Does Merrill Edge have an S&P 500 index fund? Merrill Edge does offer access to S&P 500 index funds, allowing investors to track the performance of one of the most prominent stock market indices in the world. Through Merrill Edge, investors can buy mutual funds or ETFs that replicate the S&P 500, such as the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, SPY, or other similar funds. Merrill Edge integrates its offerings with Bank of America services, providing a seamless experience for account holders seeking diversified and cost-effective investment opportunities. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use myself. Check them out. Let's continue with our video. The advantages of investing in S&P 500 funds through Merrill Edge include commission-free trading for ETFs, competitive execution speeds, and the robust integration of tools such as goal-based planning and portfolio analysis. Merrill Edge users also benefit from the Bank of America Preferred Rewards program, which can provide fee discounts and other financial perks based on account balances. Its platform is suitable for both beginner and intermediate investors, offering educational resources and user-friendly interfaces for investment selection. However, there are notable disadvantages. Unlike platforms such as Vanguard or Fidelity, Merrill Edge does not offer fractional share trading, which might limit accessibility for investors with smaller budgets. Additionally, some users have criticized the platform for higher expense ratios on mutual funds compared to competitors, as well as a lack of advanced trading tools for sophisticated investors. Merrill Edge's platform is tailored more towards passive and long-term strategies rather than active day trading. Overall, Merrill Edge serves as a solid choice for investors looking to invest in the S&P 500, especially those who are already integrated within the Bank of America ecosystem. However, careful consideration of fees, trading tools, and additional features is essential to determine if it aligns with your specific investment goals. Whether you prioritize cost, convenience, or portfolio diversity will ultimately guide your decision.